Everybody, Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care here in Cape Coral, Florida. Today we are talking about how long does it take your new sod to root. So the initial rooting in and establishing of your sod, that's going to happen in 10 to 14 days. That's going to be when it starts becoming harder to peel up, it starts attaching down to the ground, but don't take this as it's truly rooted in. Everything is ready to go. I don't have to water as much. I can mow it. It can really be aggressive and start. Kids can play sports on it. You want to give it more time. That's just the initial root in, the beginning of establishment. From there, it is more like 2 to 6 weeks to truly establish. In 2 weeks, that's really, really fast. It's probably at least 3, more like 4 to 6, to truly root in and to truly establish where it's pulling nutrients from the ground and not just getting the resources from the top all the time, all the moisture put into it, which it does need the whole way. We're going to talk about that in just a second. But that's when it's truly rooted in, it's truly established, and you can start mowing your lawn and using it with higher traffic things like events, parties, kids playing sports, whatever the case may be, whatever you do on your lawn. Now, for the maintenance of your lawn, in that first 30 days, you're going to want to water it daily to make sure it is getting plenty of water to get established. This is something that the city allows, so even though our watering guidelines are very, very strict, they understand that if you put in new sod, you have to be able to get it established. And part of that, water the first 30 days. Second, after that first 30 days, you're going to want to make sure you're getting more into the established time period. You're going to want to make sure you get at least an inch of rain. Now that's going to come from irrigation, which is limited by the city and the municipalities, and then you take that in combination with whatever rainfall we've got. So those are the things that you're going to want to ensure. You water it daily for the first 30. After that, you get at least an inch of rain per week, and that's going to be what it takes to maintain, keep a happy, healthy, thick, beautiful lawn, along with fertilization, weed control, and staying up on regular maintenance so nothing gets out of control. You'll have a great, beautiful lawn, and it'll look like a beautiful green carpet in your backyard.